Hello traders, welcome to the video. So in this strategy you will be able to cash easy 10 candles every single time. So it is not 100%, but you will have a very high win rate if you follow the rules that I'll be giving in this video and you take your time to study your chart. So first, if you look carefully on my chart, this is the 1 minute time frame and this is the average true range, which is this blue, and then we have the RSI, which is this level, 80 and 20 level. So first thing we want to do is to set up our indicator. Then I'll be explaining how this strategy works. After that, I'll be showing you a little bit back testing section and how you can also check for yourself trading this strategy. So click on this indicator icon over here. As you can see, I have just two indicators. I have the average true range and the relative strength index. To select your average true range, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for your average true range. Make the period to be 14. For the levels, click on this pen icon, make it 1.5, color of your choice, and for the star, color of your choice, 4 pixel. After that, you click on save. The next indicator is the relative strength index. To select that, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for your relative strength index. Make the period to be 1. For the levels, click on this pen icon, make it 20 and 80, color of your choice, 3 pixel. And for the star over here, make it color of your background. If your background is black, you make it black. If it is white, you make this color white, 1 pixel. After that, you click on save. So if you follow my settings, your chart will look exactly like this. And what is the zoom level? Let's say this is the innermost zone. You want to zoom in completely. You can see how I do it now. Then you will zoom out only one time. 1. So that is the zoom level for this strategy. So what do you want to see? You want to see market rallies to the upside. You can see this rallying. Then you want to see it pushes this average true range into the 80 level. So once it enters into the 80 level, you want to see it generate at least 3 to 4 candles. So once you have that generated and you don't have any spike, you can enter your sell and you target 10 candles. So you can see over here, if you pay attention to this level, we have a spike into the 80 level over here. You can see that it did not generate the 5th candle. We don't even have the 4th candle at this point. Then we have another spike. So once you have the spike, you can see here, you can see that immediately it generated over 4 candles. Enter our sell after the 5th candle. Then we cash 10 candles. So you want to wait for it to generate 5 candles for more confirmation. Then at the beginning of the 6th candle, you enter your sell. Then you target 10 candles. So that is 15 candles that you want to see this print. So I want you to pay attention to this level over here. You can see there is a spike into the upside. If I zoom in, you can see it generated 5 candles around this point. Immediately after the 5th candle, you enter your sell. Your stop loss will be above this high. You have market spike, but did not take out this high. And if you wait, retracement, another spike that did not take out this high, and you see the market continues to fall, taking out this lows. And if we continue, this is another one over here also. Now it enters into the 80 level, you have spike to the upside, generate 5 candle, you enter your sell, stop loss above here, then you ride to the downside. So most of the times you see it works, but sometimes you see it not work. So what you can do is to go to your 15 minutes time frame to determine the direction of the market. You want to see the bull market going in a downtrend. So once you have that, then you look to take your entries in the lower time frame when it enters into the 80 level, and you sell to the downside. And this is crash 1000 market. It is the same thing over and over again. Even I find it to be more effective in the crash market than in the bull market. You want to see spike to the downside, pushes this into the 80 level. So for the bull market, you are focusing on the 80 level. For the crash market, you are also focusing on the 80 level. So you can see generate 5 candles, stop loss will be below here, enter your buy, and you count 10 candles. And you can see over here, we have it enters into the 80 level again, spike to the downside, generate 5 candles, stop loss below here, enter your buy, and then you consider generate that 10 candles. This is also another one, enters into the 80 level, spike to the downside, put your stop loss below here, generate 5 candle, enter your buy, then you count your 10 candles. Consider every time it enters into that level, it's always buy. Enters into that level, 5 candle generated, it's always buy to the upside. So you can see after I generate the 10 candles over here, we have spike to the downside. Then over here it is already forming at this point, so we are waiting patiently to enter our buy and look for the 10 candles. You can see how easy and simple this strategy is. You can go back on your chart. You can decide to just stick only to the crash market because it is more perfect on the crash market than in the bull market. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displayed right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.